So, hey guys, how are you? My name is Rail and I am your trainer of Blender for beginners. And in this video, we are going to make an crazy scene in Blender. And you are thinking what I'm doing in this chair project. You know, all we made this chair project in the Blender day 1, and I'm going to combine these because I'm making a crazy scene, like I'm making a stairs over here for looking like an this is our first floor and we can go up with the stairs. Okay, let's get start. So to first we need to add one cube, and cubes appear so small. No cube, no, we need to add one, what we say, cylinder, and click on add cylinder. Here has been. Okay, so we need to load these vertices like 5. Okay, and here it's going to be too easy, and let's duplicate it. No, we need to add mirror modifier, I think. Mirror modifier in Y direction. What is happening in Y direction? What is happening, man? Delete it. I just okay. Add one cylinder. Okay, move yaar. Select this and duplicate it. Shift D. Click and just move it in the Y axis. Some what is happening? You down, yaar. It's snapping on. Okay, now we can do. Okay, and let's like this. You can see this both are looking like a ladder, one piece, and select go to edit mode. Wait, go to object mode. Shift select this also. Now go in edit mode. Select box selection this. It's so wait. First go in object mode, select this and rotate it first. Okay, like this because we are going to make an bridge over here. Okay, wait, yaar. Shift and go and edit mode. Select this box and instead is this like press I on the keyboard. What is happening here? I want to select 3. Oh my god! Oh my god! 7 0 0. Why? What is happened here? Just oh shit, guys! This what is this? Delete it. Oh my god. Let's duplicate it. Shift D. Okay, let's move in this Y axis and rotate it like this. It's no, it's not an correct angle like this. Let's down it. Okay, I think it's down. Look, 7. Wait, it's what happened? Oh, where is that objects? Okay, here. Shift. Go to edit mode and click here, and instead this, press I and scale it like this, and same here also, press I, and it's correct. Okay, it's correct like this, but this not fat like that. Okay, some, and shift select this and delete it, press delete faces and select the vertex selection, click on this and select the shift, and here also shift, and press spacebar and type br dg bridge edge loops. Hey, what, it's not happening, open loops. Oh, what is happening here? I selected this both, but it's not. Wait, guys. I think it's not working, so we need to do this. All edges. Wait. Shift this. Okay. And now we need to extrude it. But we can extrude this line also. Okay, let's extrude it. Okay, extrude here. Extrude. Okay. Now it's looking like. Wait, it's where it is gone. Okay, and now it's looking perfect. Okay, now you can see it's some looking like an ladder. Sorry, and where is subdivision surface? Where subdivision? What happened here? Okay, it's looking like an bone. And I want to move this here and shift and delete no, control plus J, go in edit mode, this, wait, select this and this. Okay, now we are going to extrude it up. We don't need to extrude it. No, yaar. Select this vertexes. Go in wireframe and wait. Select all vertices and now shift D. Wait, shift D and up it. Now go in solid mode. Okay, now move it up like this and shift D again. Shift D up it, move it here, up it like this. Okay, and wait, up it some here also, and shift D again. Wait, and let's move it here, here, and here. Okay, it's looking la no, it's not looking now. Okay, and down it. Okay, finished. Okay, it's done. Go in object mode and now shift D. Shift D. Click and move it up. Some wait. We need to on snapping now, I think. Okay, it's snapping. Okay, 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 okay. Turn off. It's not connected properly. Here. Okay. I think it's no. Some here. Okay, now it's looking like ladder. And select this and control plus J. Control plus J. Select this and this. Control plus J. Okay. I think we can scale it and yes. Okay. Let's place in the scene goodly and down it like this and this. Move it back and here and some here like this and move it here and some like this. Okay, it's done. No, it's not done. No, 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 no. It's done now. We need to scale it some again. Okay, like this, and it's looking like egg floor. So that's for the today, guys. We meet in the next video. So bye bye, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel for the more educational videos of Blender. Stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye.